Here's a point. Let's practice this way. Full sheet of paper. Let's just draw some rectangular shapes. And we'll put one right in the center. Okay. And let's vary the size a little bit. Oops, that went off to the side. The classic exercise to do is with 9 equal size boxes. So here we have our 9 boxes, but they're not equal size. That's okay. From the vanishing point right there, let's just draw some reference lines. Remember, all in 1-point perspective, all diagonal lines, they either go, well, all lines, either horizontal, vertical, or to the vanishing point. Reference line off. Again, these are all freehand. Right? So now that you have all these lines set up, we know that we have a horizontal line here and a vertical line there. Horizontal line here. Okay? There's no vertical back here because you can't see it because it spans the vanishing point. There you go. And this one was iffy because if it's above the vanishing point, then we need to see the bottom. That one is so close, it's right on it. So I'm going to leave it. Is this to the left? Nope, we can't see it. This one we can see this side. So we have the top, the top, the top, the bottom, the bottom, the bottom. All these are fronts. Oops, missed one. A couple of sides. Side, 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 side. So you should see 6 sides. Okay. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 9 fronts. Because this one is just the box. We can't see the sides or the tops or the bottoms. Okay. So go ahead and do that exercise. That'll help a lot with our future as we move forward in our drawing perspective boxes.